So how to take out the bearing for the 1500 run EcoDiesel 2015. So this one I took this bearing now because this one it was moving. So I took like pretty much both of the in the front side already. So that's the new one, that's the old one. What I did, I took out the CVjoint nut, and I moved that one away. Of course, I took out the caliper for the braking. There it has two bolts, one over here and one over here. You take out those one. You don't have to take out the braking disc. Well, you do have to take the braking disc, the brake disc over there, and that part. Once you take this one too, this one it will come out. Of course, make sure you open the brake pads over here. Other than that, it's gonna be hard. And once I took this one out, the CVjoint, there is some bolts over here, 3 bolts in the back that they are very hard to get. If you don't take it out, it's gonna be hard for you to get. And then that way I can move the CVjoint. Then I put a little bit of W40 over here, so that way I can take these bolts away. And I also took this one over here, so that way I can move this one and I can take out the CVjoint out. So it's easier to put the bearing right there. So that's pretty much about it. I also took the tire off, of course, and I make sure that you put something on the bottom, so that way, so for safety, so it doesn't come the car doesn't come down. Anyways, that's about it. Alright.